Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. So I'm at the park today with the V-Fly X220M or 220M. This is their second generation of their 220 size quadcopter. I figured, hey, let me try this Xiaomi 360 degree camera mounted on top. I found an easy way just to mount it with a little tripod, little screw mount using the existing screw holes, just to show you guys if you wanted to do something like this, it's definitely possible with a racing quad. So let me fire this thing up. I'm just going to launch from here, take it up pretty high. I'm just using the Taranis X7, slap on these Amway commanders, and let's have some fun with this 360 camera, see how it does. Okay, so just starting off in stabilized mode. Nice. I'm gonna switch immediately. There we go, air mode, okay.
Everything is out of place. Feeling like my world is upside down. I just wanna find my way. Gotta get a breath before I drown. You've torn my world apart. I'm left with only scars. These pieces of my heart are the remnants of this love. I thought we had it all. We conquered every wall. But kingdoms rise and fall like us. Never would've thought it was you. Never would've known it was me. Everything we felt that was true was a lie, couldn't see. We were on a high for a while before we came down like a wall. Everything is good for a time. Kingdoms rise, kingdoms fall. Kingdoms rise, kingdoms fall. Kingdoms rise, kingdoms fall. Kingdoms rise, kingdoms fall. Kingdoms fall. We were at the peak of love. Nothing in the world can make us drop. Things slowly came undone. Wasn't too long, then we were lost. You've torn my world apart. I'm left with only scars. These pieces of my heart are the remnants of this love. Never would've thought it was you. Never would've known it was me. Everything we felt that was true was a lie, couldn't see. We were on a high for a while before we came down like a wall. Everything is good for a time. Kingdoms rise, kingdoms fall. Kingdoms rise, kingdoms fall. Kingdoms rise, kingdoms fall. Kingdoms rise, kingdoms fall. Kingdoms fall.
That was kind of fun. It definitely felt a lot heavier with this drone anyway, and this 1300 4S battery, just because this drone is pretty heavy anyway. It's like built like a tank, so it's going to be really hard to break, and so that makes it a little heavier. Plus it's got this steel roll cage here which allowed me to mount this up on. So maybe if you're going to use this camera, a larger battery, I think this one can fit maybe like a 1500 or a little bigger, maybe a 1700, just because you got about another inch almost of space on the side. You can see that, and also a little bit higher, more space up here. So maybe a larger battery if you're going to be using this. And then again, I'm not sure how the motors are going to handle it. The motors don't even seem to be hot at all. Anyway, that was the Xiaomi 360 cam on the V-Fly R220M. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.